हे गाइस, अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता है हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग कर रहे हैं स्प्रिंट एक्स। राइट गाइस, स्प्रिंट एक्स कर रहे हैं जिसमें कि लाइव प्रोसेस के मैं 2 सेशंस कर चुका हूं और आज हमारा 3rd सेशन है, दैट इज कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन। अब आप कहोगे सर ये स्प्रिंट एक्स क्या है? स्प्रिंट एक्स में बेटा हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करते हैं जो कि आपके बोर्ड्स में आ सकते हैं डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, और मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि किस तरह से जो पेपर में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उनको आंसर कैसे करना चाहिए। तो गाइस आप लोग रेडी हो स्टार्ट करने के लिए? यस सर, हम लोग रेडी हैं। गाइस ये पूरा शेड्यूल है, 2 सेशंस हो चुके हैं। आज हम कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद हेरिडिटी एंड एवोल्यूशन करेंगे, सॉरी हाउ टू ऑर्गेनिज्म रिप्रोड्यूस करेंगे, फिर हेरिडिटी एंड एवोल्यूशन करेंगे और आर एनवायरमेंट एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज भी करेंगे। कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है, इसमें हम न्यूरॉन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट, हमारा फेवरेट इंपॉर्टेंट ये है। फिर है हमारा ह्यूमन ब्रेन जो कि हमारा कहां पे है, हमारा जो कि घुटनों में है। राइट गाइस, विल बी स्टडीइंग अबाउट आवर ब्रेन, है ना, इट्स स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस, नर्व इंपल्स कि नर्व इंपल्स कैसे ट्रैवल करता है, देन कोऑर्डिनेशन इन प्लांट्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस, इस पे क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है, हम इग्नोर करते हैं। और सबसे गाइस ये दोनों पार्ट बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, इस पे से क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है। ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं। मोटिवेशन, मेकिंग मिस्टेक इज बेटर देन फेकिंग परफेक्शन। गाइस जितनी मिस्टेक्स हो सके उतनी मिस्टेक्स करो, ठीक है। जनरली हमें बड़ा बुरा लगता है कि गलत हो गया, तो गाइस इट्स वेरी गुड, जितना हो सकता है उतना मिस्टेक करो, बिकॉज यू गाइस आर किड्स, यू कैन मेक मिस्टेक। इमेजिन आई एम मेकिंग मिस्टेक, है ना, मतलब आई मेक मिस्टेक डेली, बट आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? इफ यू मेक मिस्टेक व्हेन यू आर यंग यू आर फॉरगिवन इजीली, बड़े होके मिस्टेक करोगे तो बहुत पिटाई होती है, ठीक है। तो गाइस मेक एज मेनी मिस्टेक्स एज पॉसिबल, ट्रस्ट मी ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, like making mistakes and failing is the best thing which you could do at your, you know, at this point of time. Okay, to make as many mistakes as possible, fail as many times as possible, and guys learn, keep learning. Cool. आगे चलते हैं। Oh my God, क्वेश्चन आ गया, क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं जल्दी से। ठीक है गाइस, सारे रेडी? तो देखो हमें पता है स्टार्टिंग में ना एमसीक्यूज आते हैं। क्या आएंगे? एमसीक्यूज। कैसे करेंगे एमसीक्यूज को हम? बताओ। कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन एंड फैट मेटाबॉलिज्म is controlled by hormone secreted by the, guys मैंने बताया ना MCQ में you just have to recognize the answer, मतलब answer is in front of you, you just have to tick it, ठीक है। unlike recall करना, सोचने से नहीं है। do you know the difference between recall and recognition? recognition में answer is in front of your eyes। बता दो। protein, carbohydrate and fat metabolism is controlled by thyroid gland which produces thyroxine। पैंक्रियास क्या करते हैं बेटा? इंसुलिन एंड ग्लूकागॉन विच रेगुलेट्स द ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल। पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड produces growth hormone, it is also called as master gland। why master gland? because it controls all the other glands of the body, not hypothalamus। hypothalamus बेचारा एक्चुअली क्या करता है, ये इसको कंट्रोल करता है, पिट्यूटरी को। cool guys, very good shall let us do the next question। तो thyroid gland where is it present? it is present at the neck region। What is chemotropism? Give an example। oh my God, very good, good question। guys see, there are 2 types of movement shown by plants। plant हमारी तरह भागते भागते नहीं है, खेलते कूदते नहीं है, they don't fight like you people, they don't prepare for board like you people। what do? they just stand and do photosynthesis, ऐसे खड़े रहते हैं, photosynthesis करते रहते हैं। but they show 2 types of movement। what are they? tropic movement, that is called as directional movement, and nastic movement, that is called as non-directional movement। what are 2 types of movement shown by them? tropic movement, directional movement, or non-directional movement, that is nastic movement। now tropic movement is of various type, towards the stimulus or away from the stimulus। ट्रॉपिक मूवमेंट मतलब क्या होता है गाइस? प्लांट्स कैन नॉट मूव, तो हाउ डू दे मूव? आई एम सेइंग मूवमेंट सर, प्लांट्स तो आई एम नॉट सीन प्लांट मूव। व्हाट डू यू मीन मूवमेंट? बेटा मूवमेंट मतलब व्हाट डू दे डू ना, से इमेजिन आई एम अ प्लांट, सो इफ आई हैव टू शो सम मूवमेंट आई विल स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन। से यू आर स्टिमुलस, इफ आई सी यू, आई विल स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग इन योर डायरेक्शन, इट विल बी ऑब्वियसली वेरी स्लो। plant will start growing, it will take time for me. I'm a plant, I will grow slowly. I won't grow in a day, right? I will grow slowly. In a month, I will start coming towards you. Are you able to understand? I cannot move. So what will I start doing? I will start growing towards you or away from you. Imagine you're very scary. So what will I do? I'll start growing away from you towards the other direction. Right? That is tropic movement, moving towards or away from the stimulus. Nastic movement is non-directional, means it is not towards any stimulus or any direction. For example, you would have seen touch me not plant. If you touch it, it will actually droop, then again it will come back. If you touch it, again it will droop, it will come back. So it is not towards any direction. That is nastic movement. So guys, tropic movement, the stimulus can be of various types. Sunlight. When the stimulus is sunlight, I'll call it as phototropic. When the stimulus is water, I'll call it as hydrotropism. When water is gravity, when stimulus is gravity, what is it called as, guys? Geotropism. Right? And our favorite, what is chemotropism? Movement of a plant towards or away from the chemical is called as chemotropism. Guys, give an example. The growth of pollen tube. ये मेरा stigma style ovary. यहाँ पे pollen grain आया तो pollen tube grows. How does the pollen tube know कि इसको इधर जाना है? Why does the pollen tube not come out? Because the ovules release some chemical which attracts the pollen tube towards the ovule. Right, beta? So example is very important. Apart from that, guys, we must be knowing examples of chemotropism. कोई बात नहीं. We must be knowing, examples of hydrotropism. Roots move towards the water. So we'll say positive hydrotropism. Shoots move away from the water. We will call negative hydrotropism. Shoots grow towards the sunlight. I will say positive phototropism. Roots grow away from the sunlight. I will call it as negative phototropism. Are you able to understand, guys? Examples you should be knowing. है ना? You should, root shows positive geotropism, positive hydrotropism, but negative phototropism. तीनों एक ही root show कर रहा है. A student was there. He is asking, sir, how can root show positive phototropism and positive hydrotropism, positive geotropism and negative phototropism? But it is just reference के लिए. अगर sun के opposite जाता है तो sun के respect में it is going negative. Water के aspect में it is going positive. Roots, I'm talking about roots. Cool. So guys, example of everything should be there with you. Chemotropism, I've given you example. Hydrotropism, roots show positive, shoots show negative hydrotropism. Geotropism, roots show positive geotropism, shoots show negative geotropism. Similarly, phototropism, shoots show positive geotropism, shoots show positive phototropism, and roots show negative phototropism. Let's move forward. So very easy question. We have explained, we have done many things. I've explained you entire tropism. Draw a flow chart describing reflex arc. What is reflex arc, beta? It is the path taken by the nerve impulse during a reflex action. What is reflex arc? Path taken by nerve impulse during a reflex action. तो कैसे करेंगे बेटा? I have told you whenever reflex arc or reflex action comes in the exam, you have to draw this diagram. Block diagram, guys. We will do stimulus, receptor, then we have motor neuron, ठीक है, then we have अले सर ये मोटर न्यूरॉन नहीं, यहां सेंसरी न्यूरॉन होगा, राइट है ना बेटा? तो व्हाट विल हैव हियर? सेंसरी न्यूरॉन, right? And from the spinal cord, motor neuron. Right beta? See, sensory neuron takes signal towards senses. Senses से signal कहाँ जाता है? मेरे brain पे या spinal cord पे जाता है. Motor मतलब signal is coming from the brain or spinal cord towards the organ or the effector. And what will be coming over here? Response. What will come over here? Response. Guys, effector and receptor can be the same thing. My arm can be both receptor and effector. Receptor मतलब अब मैंने पेन पकड़ा हुआ है तो ये रिसीव कर रहा है, सिग्नल जा रहा है. अब मैं इसी पेन से लिखूंगा तो दिस विल कम एज अ इफेक्टर और रेस्पॉन्स. Cool guys, give me a high five if you are able to understand. And most importantly guys, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Those of you who are watching, there's a red color का button over there, down there. उसको subscribe करो. इससे क्या होगा? इससे we will know कि you love us. Okay, we love you a lot. We also want you to love us back. है ना बेटा? तो just show some love. And yes guys, you have to draw this whenever a question on reflex action comes. Whenever a question on reflex action comes, you have to draw. What is the reflex action? Beta, sudden involuntary response to a stimulus. What is reflex action? Sudden involuntary response to a signal. Cool. No need to draw this complicated diagram, guys. If you draw the block diagram which I have shown, that is good enough. Take it like this, or the way in which I have drawn, है ना? You can draw that. Guys, one more thing. This is very amazing Vedantu ka micro course, and I want all of you to buy this. If you are watching this video, just 11 rupees. कुछ नहीं होता 11 rupees में. And if you use this code ARMIC, it will become 5 rupees का. So do get this course for 5 rupees, guys. है ना? Very very highly effective course. I want you to have maximum benefit of it, guys. Trust me, it is way more than that. You cannot imagine the amount of work which has been put behind this course. Okay, let's do question number 4, guys. Which of the function, write one of the function of each medulla oblongata. First of all, tell me it's part of what brain? It's a part of the hind brain, sir. What does it do? It is basically responsible for involuntary actions like vomiting, है ना बेटा? Vomiting, salivation, swallowing, etc. Cranium protects the brain. My precious brain is present here inside a box-like structure called as cranium. Ethylene, it's a plant hormone which is a growth inhibitor. It helps in ripening of the fruits. Mention 2 points of difference between cerebrum and cerebellum. Cerebrum is a part of forebrain. Cerebrum is a part of cerebrum. It is beta the major thinking part of the brain. Thinking matlab all the information, sensory, whatever I'm touching, whatever I'm seeing, whatever I'm thinking or hearing, smelling, it is all going to my cerebrum. Okay, it is a major sensory, motor and association area or thinking part of the brain. Hind brain, balancing. Cerebellum, it is responsible for balancing. है ना? When I'm cycling, I balance. है ना? When I'm walking, I walk like straight. है ना? So that is because of cerebellum. Cool, guys. Will you be able to write this? Say yes, sir. Right? Hit the like button, guys, as I said, and subscribe if you have not subscribed it yet. So I have explained you all of these. Cerebellum is a part of hind brain. Cerebrum performs higher functions associated with the thinking and senses. Cerebellum maintains the balance. Right, beta? Draw a neat labeled diagram of a typical nerve cell. अरे बेटा न्यूरॉन के बारे में बनाना है. We have to make a neuron. How do we make a neuron? I have told you many times. Right, guys, this is how we draw a neuron, है ना? And we can label this dendrite, axon, axon terminal, nucleus. Right, guys, this we have done many times. I'm not repeating it. Reflex action is controlled by, guys, come on, tell me. रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन कौन कंट्रोल करता है? सोचो सोचो सोचो, अभी तो बताया था सर, ये तो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड करता है। ग्रोथ, हु कंट्रोल्स ग्रोथ? विच हार्मोन? ग्रोथ हार्मोन फ्रॉम द pituitary gland. Puberty in males is because of what, guys? Yes guys, come on, batao. Yes sir, testes. Testes produce hormone testosterone, which is responsible for puberty in male. Riding a bicycle, बताओ, चलो आप ही बताओ, come on. अभी बता देना बैलेंस के लिए, व्हाट वाज देयर फॉर बैलेंस? cerebellum, which helps us to balance, right guys? Very easy guys, trust me, board exams में very easy questions are gonna come, easier than your pre-board and easier than you can even imagine, okay? So trust me, so stay confident, stay put and stay with us. That you can draw this spinal cord, as I told you, pituitary, testis and cerebellum. Guys, we have completed it, है ना? Exactly. So we have completed the entire revision, है ना बेटा? There's a homework for you guys. A patient is advised to take insulin injections on a regular basis. Which gland is the patient's body has been affected? Very easy question. Insulin injection आपने देखा होगा ना, बहुत लोगों को diabetes हो जाती है, they are supposed to take insulin injections. So which organ is affected in them? Right guys, you will tell us, tell me in that comment box what is the answer for this question. Right guys, so today we have done control and coordination guys, and before that we had done life process. Next is gonna be how do organisms reproduce. Do tune in guys, do watch them all. And guys, this amazing sub CBSE 10th ka booster course in which we are gonna revise the entire 10th class maths with our favorite Nikhil sir. Okay, he's an amazing teacher, है ना? So guys, so do join in sessions. We are going to discuss 20 years ka CBSE exams. Maths mein students were facing great difficulties, so we have come up with this amazing course. 15 days mein guys, you're going to revise all your chapters and you're going to solve all your doubts. Sir will solve all your doubts. This is special strategies and hots and more is included over there guys, so do join in for this session. You can use the code guys NASB guys, in this course is for 99 rupees. Oh my god. So you can have a personal tutor in the last minute of the exam for 99 rupees guys. Do join in for this course. It's a 3000 rupees course guys, and 99 rupees, that's amazing. Do join in. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys. All of you who are watching, who are gonna give your 10th board, जो भी बच्चे अपना 10th का बोर्ड का एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and guys leave comments in the chat box. I read them all. Hannah, do let me know how did you like the session. Do you like the session? Did you learn from me? And you can write me at amrit.raj@vedanta.com. I answer all the mails which I get. Yeah, it might take time, but trust me, I reply to them. So you can ask me any doubts. Any as in subject related doubts, okay, not any doubts. So yeah guys, keep smiling guys, and keep following Vedantu and keep joining. You know what you need to do. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, keep smiling and bye bye. Have a good day.